Waan is I. Wad is you. Wu is he. Wei is she. Wanu is we. Wei din is y'all, you plural. And wei is used again for they. So, as I have mentioned, wa is a very important word in Somali. Not only does it indicate the affirmative, as we discussed before, but it is combined with parts of speech called particles to indicate person and number. In this lesson, we will continue learning about the Somali word wa. In Somali, normal affirmative statements are marked clearly instead of being implied. In English, if a sentence is not a question or a negative sentence, we automatically understand it as affirmative, as a statement. For example, I go to the market. She is tired. English does not need a special marker for the affirmative. But Somali is different. In Somali, we mark normal statements using wa and its related forms. You can think of it like English requiring the word indeed to make a statement. I indeed go to the market. She is indeed tired. So, wa is part of the Somali declarative marker system. Here's the rule. Wa is part of the Somali declarative marker system. These markers change depending on the subject of the sentence. So, Somali changes wa depending on person and number, and sometimes gender. Look at these examples. When the subject is I, we use Waan. You have seen this already. Waan fi anahai. Waan means I, fi anahai means I am good. Waan fi anahai. Let's use this conjugation chart that many English speakers use when they must conjugate verbs in other languages. We have singular and plural, and first, second, and third person. One is I. Wad is you. Wu is he. Wei is she. Wanu is we. Wei din is y'all, you plural. And wei is used again for they. So, this takes the place of a pronoun in English, but these pronouns do not stand alone. They're part of a verb construction that I will show you in the next video. For now, remember, Waan corresponds to I, Wad corresponds to you, singular, Wu corresponds to he, Wei corresponds to she, Wanu corresponds to we, Wei din corresponds to you plural, y'all, but it's formal, and wei is used again for they. In the next video, we will conjugate our first verb.